Okay, class. So we have done yesterday that the Huygens principle and Huygens postulates. So there are three basic postulates of the Huygens principle. First one, the surface of constant phase is known as wavefront. Each point of wavefront acts as a fresh source for the new disturbance known as secondary waves or wavelets. First one. Second, all the secondary waves propagates in that given medium with the same speed of light. Okay. The third one, as the light travel through all the possible directions, then the new position of wavefront at any later t is given by the forward envelope. Backward envelope is not acceptable. Okay, because for the backward envelope the intensity is 1 plus cos phi, that equal to 0. So in the backward direction no current, no light is found there. So only the forward tangential surface or envelope gives the position of wavefront. Okay, sir. So this was your the Huygens principle. Okay, class. Now write the reflection through the Huygens principle. Reflection through the Huygens principle. Okay, class. So now, as we know, in case of reflection, the bouncing back of ray of light in the same medium is known as reflection. Here reflection take place by wavefront, not by ray, by the wavefront. Okay. Let x dash is the boundary or surface over which any wavefront is incident. Let the wavefront AB is incident. Let the wavefront AB is incident over the surface. Point A of wavefront, sir, wavefront is not like this, waves are there. This is known as normal ray. Okay, then we take only the extreme part of the this wavefront. Okay, I can figure out a simple. So AB are the extreme part of that wavefront. Sir, point A has already incident. Point B about to incident. Point A has already incident and point B is about to incident. Okay, sir. Now at point A, we have taken normal. Let AN is the normal. Okay. सर अब यहाँ पे दोनों काम साथ होंगे. साथ में भाई क्या हो, देखिए यहां से ये आगे बढ़ रहा होगा, यहां से ये रिफ्लेक्ट आगे बढ़ रहा होगा. ओके सर, बात समझे? यहां से ये ऐसा आगे बढ़ रहा होगा. दिस वन रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव, इंसिडेंट रिफ्लेक्टेड, इंसिडेंट रिफ्लेक्टेड, इंसिडेंट रिफ्लेक्टेड. आफ्टर टी टाइम ये दोनों यहां पहुंच चुके हैं. आफ्टर टी टाइम. ओके सर जी. So B reach at point C and B reach at point C. Let in that medium speed of light is B. That is B. मान लिया B speed इसके पास. तो सर in T time distance BC will be BT. Distance equal to speed into time. BT distance. Okay, sir. द डिस्टेंस VT बन गया। नाउ तो क्या अगर आपने ऐसे लिया R भरा BT, यहाँ से भरा VT कट मार BT यहाँ भरा सर आपने BT को यहाँ से यहाँ कैसे कट करते हैं BT यहाँ मार दिया एंड दोनों दिस वन। ओके सर, सो हियर AD sir AD also equal to BT. So after T time A and reach at point D, B reach at point C. So sir AB is the wavefront. It means all the particles lying on AB are vibrating in the same phase. After T time phase will be same. After time जब same है phase भी same रहेगा. What is the phase? Position of wave. भाई अभी यहाँ पर है, दोनों पॉइंट A और B यहाँ पर है, और T टाइम दोनों यहाँ पर है, तो सेम फेज में होगा, सेम पोजीशन पे होगा A और B, all the points. So at CD is the reflected wavefront. Here again we take a normal, this one the reflected. So sir AB is the incident wavefront and CD is the reflected wavefront. So in this way reflection takes place through the wave. AB incident wavefront. Sir after T time position of AB is CD. After T time na, after T time A reach at point D, B has reached at point C. So DC are in the same phase. So AB is the incident wavefront, CD is the reflected wavefront. Okay sir, sir this one normal एंगल I सही छोड़ देंगे आप लोग, दिस वन इक्वल टू एंगल I, नॉर्मल एंगल R छोड़ देंगे, दिस वन एंगल R. सर नो नीड टू प्रूफ हियर द ज्योमेट्री पार्ट हियर, एंगल R इक्वल. ओके इतना मान लो झूठ. ओके सर जी, दिस वन. सर नाउ इन ट्रायंगल देखिए ध्यान आप रखिए, इन ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle ADC. ADC sir ji, very first the side AD equal to BC, each of distance BT and this one 90 degree. Angle ABC equal to angle ADC, each angle 90 degree. The base AC equal to AC, that is common base. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. So ABC is congruent to, by RHS congruency, triangles are congruent. Then the corresponding part of the triangle, angle BAC equal to angle DCA. Angle DCA, that is angle I is equal to angle R. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The incident wavefront, the reflected wavefront, and normal lies over the same plane. So in this way we can show the reflection by the Huygens wave theory. Now write the topic refraction by Huygens theory. Refraction by Huygens theory. Okay. So refraction takes place between the two different mediums. Required two different mediums. Medium 1, medium 2 must having the difference in the densities, optical densities. Let x dash is the boundary that separating the two mediums, medium 1, medium 2, speed V1, speed V2. Okay, sir. Let medium 1 is rare, medium 2 is denser. If let medium V2 is medium 2 is denser, then we can say here V2 will be less than V1. In denser medium, speed is less than the rare medium. Okay. So now let wavefront AB is incident. AB is incident. Okay, sir. Wavefront AB. पंजाब में ये भी था भाई मुझे बी पे पहुंचना है सरफेस या जाना ओके सर जी तो पॉइंट ए द रिफ्रैक्टेड वेव फ्रंट प्रोसीड and from point B the wave about to reach to the surface to strike. So here taking normal, sir, denser medium ray band towards the normal. सर ये आगे बढ़ा उस समय सीन पर डिस्टेंस सेम नहीं होगी ना डिफरेंस द स्पीड इन सेम टाइम डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज डिफरेंट इन द सेम टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंस इन मीडियम डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी डिफरेंट ओके लेट इन मीडियम 1 speed v1 so b2c let in t time wave reach from b to c in t time so distance bc will be b1t okay in same time t speed v2 in second medium wave has traveled a distance of b2t b2 so let b2t सर यहाँ पे आपने b2t का and this one B2 ना प्लीज ना B2 मतलब क्या है let for example in medium 1 let V1 equal to 10 meter per second let V1 10 per second B2 denser medium less speed let 8 meter per second let 8 per second from B to C wave reach in 2 seconds so BC will be 20 meter BC will be distance speed into time 20 meter. Here A to D will be speed into time 16 meter. So we have to take arc of 16 meter, not of 20 meter. Okay. So in second medium, we have to take an arc of 16 meter. Okay, sir. So यहाँ से भी आप speed आ रही है. So again the normal. Okay, sir. So AB incident wave front after t time. What is the position? A reach at point D, B reach at point C. So CD is the reflected wave front. Okay, sir. Here CD is the reflected wave front. So sir, here after t time, the wavefront AB has reached up to point CD. So here CD is the refracted wavefront of incident AB. Okay. So now incident angle, normal angle I, this one angle I. normal refracted angle R. This one angle R. Okay, sir. Now, Maheshwarji, we have to prove that Snell's law, angle sin I upon sin R equal to refractive index, and first law already proved that the incident wavefront, refracted wavefront, and normal lie over the same plane. Okay. Now, Maheshwarji, we are moving on that board. Okay. Okay, class. Now, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, sin I perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it means perpendicular is B1T upon hypotenuse is AC. In triangle ADC, sin R is equal to perpendicular will be B2T, na? B2T upon this is AC. So sin I upon sin R, sin I upon sin R is equal to B1T upon AC into AC upon B2T. So AC cancel, so T also cancel out. So sin I upon sin R is equal to V1 upon V2. Sir, V1 upon V2, the speed of light in air, V1 rare medium, light in water or glass, speed of light in glass. That is the refractive index of glass. Okay, so V1 upon V2 here, that equal to N. So sin I upon sin R equal to the refractive index. Snell's law of refraction. Topic of wave optics is interference. So interference is a very interesting phenomena of the light, not of light, of wave optics. If light is a wave, then only interference is possible. If light is a wave, only then interference is possible. Interference support to the wave nature of light. Okay. As per the definition, the redistribution of energy causes maxima at some points and minima at some points. Okay. The points of maxima known as constructive interference, the points of minima known as destructive interference. This phenomena is interference. Okay. So now actually what is the interference? Okay, Maheshwarji, stop the recording. आपने क्या करा? ईंट का पत्थर लाकर उसमें से बीच में रख दिया. एक बड़ा सा ईंट का पत्थर लाया और बीच में से दबा दिया. ओके, अब क्या होगा? अब एक वाटर वेव यहाँ से आएगा ऐसे करके सेपरेट, एक वाटर वेव यहाँ से आएगा सेपरेट. ऐसे आएगा वो लोग. जो यहाँ पे शांत था वेव ऐसे था ना, एक साथ था, एक बराबर ऐसे पानी आ रहा था. अब जैसे वो पानी यहाँ पे आएगा ऐसे करके ऐसे हो जाएगा, लाइक दिस, ऐसा हो जाएगा वहां पर वो. ठीक है सर. एट सम पॉइंट मैक्सिमा, एट सम पॉइंट मिनिमा, एट सम पॉइंट मैक्सिमा, एट सम पॉइंट मिनिमा. दिस इंटरफेरेंस से ट्रो से इसका क्रस्ट, इसका क्रस्ट ऐसे हो जाएगा. ट्रो एंड ट्रो नीचे ले क्या बोलो. सो दिस नोन एज इंटरफेरेंस. वाटर वेव है, सेम विद लाइट वेव इंटरफेरेंस. ये स्टडी. Okay, sir. When one wave, sir, crust of one wave meet to crust of another wave, like this. So क्या हुआ ये? Y1 plus Y2 याद है? So net y is equal to y1 plus y2. या ऐसे कर दो आप लोग ट्रू और वन में बी टू ट्रू और में here y is equal to माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे आप लोग y1 plus y2. बट इफ ऐसा हो जाए crust be true then y1 minus y2 like this. If y1 and y2 both are equal then 0. So अंदर से रहेगा that interference, destructive interference. That is the destructive interference. Okay, sir. And this only possible with wave, not with particle. Particle दो पत्थर ऐसे रहे. Not possible, sir. It's only possible with the wave.